Welcome to Kluger's Garage. Back working on the FC. Just trying to get everything ready for seam sealer and body filler. I got to read the instructions and see if I could use them in a combination. I'm really hoping I can, because I'd like to put some seam sealer down and then go over it with body filler. Starting over here on the driver's door. Got this portion all cleaned up, all in here. Got a bunch of the floor all cleaned up. Cleaned up some of these joints here. I got to put all seam sealer in it. Came up here, found out I had lead in here, and I had some cracks in there, so I was thinking, oh, I'll go ahead and weld them up. And then, you know, if any of you guys welded on lead, you know how that turns out. Went ahead and had cracks over in this section here. Got it pretty cleaned up. I'll probably go over it again. Down into this corner. This is looking real nice over here. Definitely liking the way it turned out. Got cracks in here, or not cracks, but holes filled up. A bunch of holes in the wheel well. All the holes in the driver's side anyway are fully welded. I'm gonna go ahead and put seam sealer here. I got epoxy seam sealer, so that should be all right there. Let's head to the back. Didn't need a lot going on in the back, other than my antenna hole mounts. I went ahead and filled those in. Cleaned up the bottom edges a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and weld this in. The panel, I got a panel that blocks that out. Complete engine delete kit, as I call it. Head over to the side, passenger side. Here we are on the passenger side. Got this all done up, all nice. Come up over here. This is where I went ahead and fixed over on the other side, so I'll have to finish that portion there. Got over here where the brazing was done. I'm going to go ahead and clean that out, or maybe see if I can get a tack going there. I got some more holes down there and some putty to get out of there, some seam sealer, some cleaning up to do. And then over here you can see I got to sand this off here, sand that smooth. Did some more work on the floor. Need to finish up this area here. It's pretty holy. Go ahead and clean these out before I weld this piece that I built in there. Head over the front. Pretty much the chin is welded in. I got a couple more spots to do, some sanding to do, and then I'll go ahead and seam seal it and bondo it if that's possible. So one thing I do need to take notice on is that is pretty janky. It's probably the worst spot on the whole truck as far as that goes. I mean, there's some other spots, but currently that's the worst part, and I'm not quite sure what I want to do with that. So if you have any suggestions, comment below. I'd greatly appreciate it. As always, thanks for checking in on my project. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more content on this Jeep. Once I get it painted, there's only like 3 major things I need: windows, exhaust, drive shaft, and then it's on the road sideways. Thanks, guys. Thanks for building with me today. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Smash that subscribe button. If you're looking for more content, go ahead and check out my Facebook, Grandsons FC Rebuilds, and Grandsons FC on Instagram. Until next time, get out in the shop and build something.